Hi everyone. So in today video we will see how to create the drop down for any column in the Excel. So this is some data I have. I have some dummy data. So for the gender, I will try to create and show you how to create the drop down. Okay, so for that, for to do that, we should have some fixed data. Like for gender, we know it can be male, female, or transgender. So I will go with male, female only. So you can add the transgender as well. So I have already defined that data male and female. So what I will do, I will select the column. Okay, and I will go to data and go to data validation. Data validation I will select, and I need to go to setting, and I need to click the list. Okay, I need to allow the list. I will allow it, and I will select the column value. Okay, the male and female I will select it. Okay, and I will load it and click on OK. So now you can see the drop down here. Okay, so here you can see the value as well. So you can select the male, female, whatever you want. Okay, so you can select it. So if you pass any other value instead of the male and female, so you will get the error. Okay, so to fix that, what you can do, so you again need to select the column. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, you can select the column, and next thing what you can do, go to data validation. Again, data validation, go to error alert, and select the show error alert after invalid data is entered. You need to unselect it. Okay, the checkbox, and you need to click on OK, and then you can pass any value. Now you can see here I can pass any value. So like that you can do for your Excel as well. So it's quick and fast. So for like this interesting things, you can follow my channel, and yeah, that's it. Thank you.